Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video we will learn how to deploy certificate using group policy for all domain users or computers. So I'll show you step by step, but before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel IT Parivar, please subscribe just to support me, just to motivate me, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. This is my domain controller, and 1 second. So see, this is my domain controller. The computer name is DC and domain name is itparivar.lan. Let me open here group policy management. Okay, so let me go to the group policy object and let me create here one new group policy for certificate deployments. Certificate deployment policy. Just say okay. Let us configure this first. Right click, go to edit, and need to expand this policies, and then Windows setting under computer configuration. Okay, expand this, go to security setting and expand this also. Let me expand this here. Then you have to go to the public key policies. Okay, public key policies options. You will see here trusted certification authority. Okay, just double click on this, right click and click to import. Okay, click to next. This you can say store location, current user or local machine. Okay, so just need to, it is by default selected to local machine, because if you deploy the policy or if you deploy the certificate, you can say for the local machines, it will be effective for all the users, whatever user will log into the machine. Okay, so let's do next, and you should have the certificate that should be like in the .csr, .cer or .pfx or pkcs or p7b format. Okay, so let me click to browse here. I have one certificate here. I already copied here just for the testing purpose. Let me select and click to open. In same way, you have to browse your certificate and select, click to next, and then place all certificates in the following store: trusted root certification authority. It will be by default selected. Click to next and then finish. Just refresh this. One second, it's not responding. So once you will import here to the trusted certification authority, you can see the import was successful. Just say okay. Yes, you can see here issued to abc.itparivar.lan. Okay, so this certificate was imported here. In same way, you have to import your certificate and then go to administrative template. Once you will import the certificate, you need to go here to the administrative template, Windows components, click to standard, and then scroll it to down, go to the bottom, double click on Windows Update, scroll to down, and you will see here one option: allow signed updates from an internet Microsoft update service location. Okay, so just double click on this and just enable this option. Okay, you can see here, if you enable this policy setting, automatic update except automatic updates received through an intranet Microsoft update service location if they are signed by certificate found in the trusted publisher. certificate store of the local computer. So that's why we need to enable this policy also. Okay, just say apply and okay. Need to close this, and then as now we configured this policy, so if you want to push or deploy this certificate for all your domain users or computers, you can just link it here to the domain label. Okay, just right click to your domain name here and select link an existing GPO certificate deployment policy and just say okay. You can see here it is linked now. If you want to deploy this policy or the certificate for few specific users or machines, so you can link this group policy to the OU level where your users are laying. Suppose if you have any users which are under HR team OU or IT team OU or any user or computer, you can right click to that OU and you can select this one, link an existing GPO, and in same way you can select this same group policy and say okay. It will be linked here. So as we already linked it to the domain label, it will be pushed for all the domain users and computers whatever you have. Okay, so in this way, using group policy, you can push the certificate or deploy the certificate for all your domain users or computers. The policy will be get refreshed or it will be implemented to the end user, or you can say users machine or computers automatically. But if you want to immediately push it, you can just go to the run, type cmd and type here gp update for space / force and press enter. Once you will press enter, the group policy will be get applied immediately and the certificate will be pushed. Okay, so let me show one thing. Like you need to you can validate it if certificate is deployed or not just by going here cert mgr.msc. Just type cert mgr.msc on the run menu, say okay. I'm going to close this one, this GP update force, because we have to just run this if we need to push the policy immediately. If you want, you can run this, okay, and validate by opening this console, certificate manager console. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to go here, personal certificate, trusted root certificates authority, certificates, and then here you will find that post certificate or deployed certificate. Okay, so you will be able to find here the certificates. So this is the way how you can validate the certificate if certificates is deployed or not. For now I haven't run the group policy update, so it is not showing here. Okay, that will take some time, but yes, if you want, you can run GP update force, or sometimes need to reboot the system. Okay, it will be immediately pushed and you will be able to see that certificates which you pushed or deployed through group policy. Okay, so guys, I hope this is clear to you now how you can push the group policy, push the certificate using group policy for all the domain users and computers, and how you can validate that if certificate is deployed on the user machine or not. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe, and this video will be really helpful for you, so please share with your friends, like, and if you have any query or concerns, just leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye.